Hello friends, do you want to increase your general knowledge or give competitive exams like UPSC, MPSC and banking? Or want to know all the current events? It is impossible to achieve this without learning about environment. Therefore now we are going to talk about environment and ecosystem. You must be knowing that government has made it compulsory to include environmental studies in curriculum. But environment is a subject of science stream. So why are we learning this in FY BCom or FY BA? Because environment is the basis of life. Everything that you see around has come from nature. Environmental studies is a multidisciplinary subject. That means it has application in many other subjects. Therefore, as I said earlier, for any competitive exam, there will be questions on environment for sure. We will further discuss one by one scope and importance of environmental science. Now, what do you mean by scope? There are various disciplines where knowledge of environment is required as a base. So, we call this as scope of environmental studies. First, we will look at all the streams in which environmental studies is very important. So, I have listed out some of the streams where there is importance of learning environmental studies. First one is natural resource management, pollution control technology, then food waste and food security, human welfare, evolution, genetics, meteorology, and there are various other career options as well if you know what is environment. So first, we will start with maintenance of natural resources. What are natural resources? Any resource, any useful thing which comes from nature is called as natural resource. In maintaining natural resource, knowledge of EVS helps. Natural resources are metals, minerals, soil, water, energy, air. All these resources are very important for our nation. Therefore, it is very important to save those resources. Once you study EVS, you will know how to save these resources. You will study different types of pollution in EVS. Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, and new type of pollution, plastic pollution, which is arising due to waste. In environmental studies, you will learn various pollution control technology. In this presentation, on top right, you will see one picture which is showing water treatment plant in the industries. Top left, you will see pollution arising from chimneys of industries. And bottom left, you will see a picture showing sewage pollution in nearby water resources. So all these types of pollution can be controlled if you know different techniques of pollution control, which you will know after studying environmental science. Food waste and food security is a very important topic nowadays. How much amount of food is produced, how much amount of it is getting wasted is a very important current issue that we all should know. Is there a sufficient amount of food for the population or not? Even if it is there, is it getting wasted? What is the global scenario? All these things we will know after learning environmental science. After knowing the importance of environment, many people work voluntarily for conservation of nature. They join various environmental NGOs or open their own organizations for taking care of environment and thereby human being. Many people take part in beach cleaning activities. There are online petitions for conservation of environmental resources which many people sign because they are aware of various environmental issues. Some volunteers go for forest cleanup drives. Some people help in spreading environmental awareness. Some may help in collection of waste like plastic waste collection or e-waste collection, and they will help in recycling of these waste, which is a very important work for environment today. Evolution is a subject which is taught in biology. It tells us about how small organisms developed and larger organisms formed. Earth was not like this before. All the structures on Earth have changed since past many years. We can find the roots of evolution in environmental studies. It also helps in research on origin of species. Once you learn environmental studies, you will understand terms such as genes, DNA, RNA. Now, gene is a piece of information in your body. Our skin color, eye color, everything is decided by combination of genes. Genetics is a study of genes and it is used in solving criminal cases as well. Also, it is used in research. It also helps in understanding basics of forensic science and genetic engineering. Once you know what is environment, what are the various layers in the atmosphere, what is atmosphere, lithosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, what is climate, all these terminologies you will get to know while studying environmental studies. One of the most important issue right now is global warming and climate change. What is global warming? What is climate change? Why it is happening? What we should do to control global warming? All the things you will learn in environmental science, environmental studies. Meteorology helps in early prediction of natural disaster like tsunami or floods or heavy rainfall. Rainfall patterns may be predicted by meteorology, which will help us in further agriculture. It also helps in pollution control. Sometimes climate is not suitable for release of pollutants in the atmosphere. What is that time? That thing we will know once we study meteorology. And for studying meteorology, first you need to know some basic terms, some basic information which you will study in environmental science. All these streams need environmental science as its basis. We will also discuss scope of environmental science in next video, where I will tell you how EVS is important for your future career path. Thank you.